In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI to create Google Business Offers posts. We'll start right inside Jasper, so open your browser and head to app.jasper.ai. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand navigation and click Home. This brings you to the main workspace where all of Jasper's tools are easy to access. Taking a moment to land on Home helps ensure you're in the default view, which makes the next steps straightforward. From the home view, find the Ask Anything input. This is Jasper's conversational space where you can give clear instructions and get tailored, ready-to-use copy. Click into that field to activate it. A quick tip here. Jasper responds best to prompts that are specific about the goal, the audience, and any constraints like word count or tone. That way you spend less time revising and more time publishing. Now type your prompt. For this tutorial, write a Google Business Profile offer post for a real estate company offering 10% off closing costs for first-time homebuyers. Include a strong CTA and keep it under 150 words. This gives Jasper a concrete request, a defined audience, the exact offer, and a clear length limit that aligns well with Google Business Profile post best practices. If you have brand tone, location details, or a time-bound window for the offer, you can include those right in the same prompt so the output matches your needs more closely. When your prompt looks good, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will generate the draft in moments. Let it finish, then review the suggestions that appear. You're looking for a result that's concise, compelling, and crystal clear about the 10% off closing costs for first-time buyers, with a call to action that nudges people to contact you or learn more. When you find the version you prefer, choose Use to select it, then click Generate Now. This confirms your selection and produces a finalized piece you can move forward with. If something feels off, maybe the tone is a touch formal or the CTA could be stronger, adjust your prompt and send again. Small tweaks like specifying friendly, confident tone or CTA. Call today to schedule a free consultation can sharpen the result. Before you publish, confirm your offer details are accurate and compliant with any local regulations or platform guidelines. That quick check helps avoid confusion later and keeps your brand consistent. And that's it. Your Google Business Offer post is ready to go, crafted quickly and clearly with Jasper.